hear you, we will be dealing with the issues of Goa only, and people of Goa will decide their fate. Nothing is going to be imposed upon. Neither the leadership, nor the committee, nor the face, nothing. There is no high command culture in our party. People of Goa, our leaders of Goa, our workers of Goa, they will be deciding their fate. Definitely we will be giving our best possible support in all aspects. If you ask me what are the major issues, so far my understanding goes, Goa is a very small state, having only 40 assemblies, and total population is around 14 to 15 lakhs. In our state of West Bengal, not the population, the entire vote, only the voter in one particular parliament constituency is more than 14 lakhs.
And now I was silent because see, what platform I should get it was not given to me. Okay, no doubt. Over the phone करता सांगताले तुम्ही करा, so ते करा म्हणता हे जायना. See, we should have a good leader who can come and support forward. So that was lacking from in the 2-3 वर्षा पहिलीच्यान. So I kept silent. Because I clearly said I was silent because no support was given. Now तिरमुलान म्हाका जो approach केला, they have clearly set a platform. किंवा अशें करूंक जाय जाल्यार आमी फुडें वयतले. So I am impressed with that. That's why I have taken this forward.
So you want to say Congress totally failed in Dabolim constituency?
Definitely. They have failed because the approach आसूंक जाय आसलेलो between the party worker and the leaders, that was a gap between that.
मुरमुगांव तालुक्यात आणि कोण टचन आणि
आसा खूप लोक आसा बीजेपीचे इन टच आसा, काँग्रेसवाले आसा, इंडिपेंडंट आसा, शिवसेनेचे लोक आसा.
सर आता वास्को आणि मुरमुगांव केन्ना करतले इंडक्शन आसतले?
आसतले